in today's tutorial we're going to make a die. To make this die we're going to need two colours. One's going to be a off-white or bluey colour and the other one is a blacky blue. So one colour we're going to call dye and the other one we're going to call dots. A to select all, and what we're going to do is Ctrl and B to bevel our cube like so and increase the segments like that. So we've got our rounded cube. We're going to do smooth auto shade and press Ctrl and R to actually subdivide each side of our cube by 3. This we're going to use with the vertices to make our dots. So select vertices, 1 on one side and of course 6 on the other, because a die always adds up to 7. So 4 on this side, 3 on the other, 2 on that side and 5 on the final side, like that. So we've got our dies. Ctrl and B to go into bevel again, and what we're going to do is actually change the width, change the shape until we get this circle shape, and then increase the width again to increase our side. If it goes a bit too big, then you can reduce it slightly. Always make sure that you've got individual origins selected for the next bit. So we're going to actually E and scale again. And what we can do now is extrude the faces along the normals to make our indentation, and then scale it slightly down again. E and S 2 more times just to actually make the circle in the centre. And we can press Ctrl +++ just to grow our selection, and Ctrl- will reduce it. So now we need to assign another colour, which of course is the black colour. And voila, there we have it. We've got our die already made in under 4 minutes. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell and press the like button. Bye for now.